Why quartz has become such a popular countertop stone. Dear friends, in the not-so-distant past, homeowners in luxury homes all wanted granite countertops. But in the last several years many of these homeowners are looking for quartz as an alternative countertop material. Unlike natural stones, such as granite, quartz is an engineered stone, which means the stone is not being used in its natural state. Quartz is made up of about 90 to 95% ground-up quartz, mixed with about 5 to 10% polyester resin and polymers as a binder with pigments for color. It is one of the hardest and most abundant minerals on Earth. One of the advantages of using quartz is the abundance of color options and the consistency in the slabs, unlike natural stones. Since pigments are added in the manufacturing, there are unlimited colors available, which is not so with natural stones. Another major advantage is that quartz is non-porous, which means it's resistant to mold and bacteria. The stone will not harbor harmful bacteria from raw food. In a kitchen, this can be a major advantage, particularly for those who are physically challenged. Quartz does not require a regular polishing and sealing, so it is almost maintenance-free, other than washing it with warm water and mild soap. Quartz is very durable and resists stains, scratches, and impact. It can however be damaged by heat if a hot pot or pan is put directly on the countertop. A trivet is therefore required in these types of situations. One of the few negative sides to quartz is that dark colors can fade with an abundance of light coming into the house. In those light-filled locations, either light color quartz should be used or an alternative stone. Most of the manufacturers of quartz are also very environmentally conscious. Quartz is a commonly discarded product of other mining industries, so it is putting the stone to good use and helps eliminate waste. In short, quartz is a very eco-friendly material, which explains its popularity with environment-conscious homeowners and builders. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.